Good afternoon. Today's severe weather forecast has now started to heat up, no pun intended. The convective outlook for today, issued about half hour ago, calls for a 15% risk of hail and wind, a slight risk of severe thunderstorms. There is a severe thunderstorm watch number 516 out. Cape is at 1,500 to 2,000 joules per kilogram. There is a 2% risk of tornadoes. Storms likely move south-southeast, according to the aviation product of the watch. They call for hail to about 2 inches in diameter. Reports have been coming in of hail near 1.5 inches in diameter already. Wind damage to winds gusting to 75 miles an hour. Both of those risks are significant severe. There's a 20% probability of tornadoes, of at least of a tornado. Rainfall rates could reach 0.5 to 1.5 inches per hour, locally 1 to 2 inches an hour, and there will always be the threat of lightning. They went up. The severe thunderstorm watch was issued about an hour and a half ago. There was a mesoscale discussion issued a half hour before that, or 2 hours ago. The convective outlook cites moderate instability. The mesoscale discussion 1335 cited an increase in heating and increased coverage and intensity of storms from PA to New Jersey. This watch expires at 10 p.m. The watch cites instability and shear. The watch is evaluated at a moderate threat level, meaning the watch is viable. The watch appears viable, but I'm not sure about whether these storms will arrive before 10, whether a storm is heading our way, whether these storms will weaken before getting here. There's only a small window of opportunity in the next few hours for these storms to do some harm, to be as strong as they say they could be. Have your disaster kit within distance of a basement shelter. You do not need to take it down because it's not a tornado watch. However, isolated tornadoes are possible, and very strong wind and storms could be significant severe. So expect winds gusting to around hurricane force. Hail, golf ball, potentially baseball sized. An isolated tornado. We're not likely to see a significant tornado though. The watch encompasses an area of 60 miles radius of Philadelphia. And well beyond that. Goes all the way 20 nautical miles out to the coast. It's pretty big. A very large area for the watch. All Pennsylvania, all counties that this YouTube video normally covers: Montgomery, Philadelphia, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Newcastle, Cecil, all in the New Jersey counties and along the Delaware River are all in this watch area. Once again, a severe thunderstorm watch number 516 in effect until 10 p.m. for a maximum threat level of moderate. We could see some severe weather with these cells, potentially significant severe with an isolated tornado. Thank you. Remember, right near a tornado, have the disaster kit next to your or close to your tornado shelter. You do not need to actually have it in your tornado shelter or move this disaster kit to an outside shelter. You just need to be able to grab it and head to your shelter. With an isolated tornado, you will have a minimum of 5 minutes warning time, except within 1 mile of or 5 minutes of the tornado's development. Stay away from doors and windows. Please be aware that storms are firing and are moving southeastward.